In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva whiteboard. Okay, so if you are on Canva, you can access the whiteboard by just coming from the home tab. You can be able to see whiteboard over here. You can just click to kickstart it. And the best part of a Canva whiteboard is that you can start from a template. You can search for a particular template, maybe on what you are trying to work on. You'll be able to see from the list of available templates on what you are trying to create. All right. Or alternatively, you can just go ahead and give it a search. Let's say organizational chart. You'll be able to see something like this, and I think I kind of like this first option. There are some available different types. Right, so let's say we go with something simple. You can always increase the size, and you can check in here and you can change or replace the data. For example, we can see gemstones. Okay, so we can adjust. You can click and drag and move things around if you're interested. All right, and you can select each member or each element and edit it accordingly. And edit any elements that you are interested in. And the best part of this is that when you click out, you'll be able to have access to the tools in here, which will enable you to select a feature like we have just selected. This item gives you the option to select anything, and you can edit them accordingly based on these basic editing features. You can click on any one of them and you'll be able to replace or edit the items or the elements that you have in here. Down here you have the draw feature. This will enable you to draw. You can select the different types of drawing tools, like you can use the pen, you can use the marker tool, you can use the highlighter tool, you can use the eraser tool, and this is the color tool. You can select from the available color that you want and the thickness of the pen that you want to use. Let's say we are going to use a pen, and then we can maybe during our illustration we want to explain the role of this, okay, or you want to use the marker. Okay, so you can use to just maybe point at this lady over here and maybe this lady. This is just for illustration, and then you can use this to maybe highlight portion of the name that you are interested in. And then here you can change the coloration of the highlighter. Okay, so let's say we are going to use red instead. And when you use that, you can see the effect. Down here you can increase the width and the height, so you can be able to see an example. Okay, everything can be increased. And down here you can see different kind of shapes that you can use, or you can bring in any shape of your choice and can be added to your design that you are looking for. You can also resize it and you can place it anywhere depending on your choice. Now next you have lines of different types. You can see lines of, you can use any line of your choice. Right, so let's say we use this one. You can see the lines in here, and you're free to resize or increase the length if you're interested. This is sticky notes. You can maybe add them. You can add them from different coloration. Let's go with yellow. You can just go ahead and tag things inside your sticky note. You can select and you can play around with all of the editing features that you have for your text. You can even bold, italize, and change coloration or increase or decrease the size of the sticky note. And you can add another sticky note with this plus sign also as you hover over. You can add text if you're interested. You can move it to anywhere. You can increase the size. You can change all of these basic editing features as well regarding the text. And you can add a table. You can move it to anywhere, and you can play around and even increase or decrease the three dots. You can copy, add row, add column, depending on what you want. Okay? You can add anything, and you can edit your table accordingly using any of these features as well. So you are free to upload anything within your dashboard. You can use the select feature and you can be able to pan around or move around very easily. You can hold the middle of your mouse to be able to use the pan feature, and you can move your design accordingly. If you have the option you want to upload anything, you can as well go on and upload your videos, images, audios, designs, folders, and whatever you want to upload. You can resize it and you can reposition it, and you can even upload or drag and drop any upload that you want to upload. So this basically does it on this tutorial. If you are done with your design, you can always export it in different formats. For example, you can come to share and you can go to download, and you can download it in either PNG or you can do it in PDF standard. But let's go with PNG, which is the suggested. And right now you have your design on the Canva whiteboard downloaded in PNG format. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.